Today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to share with you some of the best bags for spring summer 2025. Yes, you heard it, the best styles of spring 2025. And you know what? They're all under $500. So stay tuned as I share with you some of the best styles that will have you looking like $1,000,000. So let's dive in. If you've been following the fashion trends for 2025, you'll see that there are a lot of interesting styles. For instance, we have the belted bag, the east-west bag, we have the more structured doctor bag, aka bowling bag, and we're seeing a play on textures. We're seeing a lot of suede come in, and right now for spring and summer, we're also seeing raffia come into the forefront. We're also seeing a lot of play with colors, whimsical shapes, and textures. So the selection that I have curated for you today will have you looking like $1,000,000, and it won't break your pockets. So let's go. My first bag is by Korean designer Osoy. It's called the Tan Zip Buckle Bag. This bag is absolutely adorable. It's small and has a large buckle across the front. The tan nubuck leather goes perfectly with this year's color palette and can be worn year-round. It can be worn two ways, either carried by hand or with the crossbody strap. Next up is the Liffner Belted Buckle Mini Bag. This little gem is an absolute must-have. This dainty bucket bag has a small buckle across the front, which adds to its femininity. The off-white color makes it perfect for summer. This bag is chic, subtle, and a great addition to any wardrobe. East-West bags, aka sausage bags, are trending and can be seen everywhere this year. Korean designer Osoy has done it again with the boat-wide bag in black, and it's right on trend. The elongated handles plus the sleek, shiny leather make it a stylish yet smart option for any occasion. The boat-wide bag also exists in tan and gives a completely different feel and aesthetic than its black counterpart. It is much more discreet and can be easily accessorized with just about any outfit for spring or summer. The Monroe Blanc medium bag is an absolute steal. The shape is right on trend, plus it has a discreet buckle closure across the front. It is large enough to use as a work bag, yet small enough to wear for dinner or out for drinks with friends. The taupe color makes this bag perfect for all year round. When it comes to bowling bags, the Fabreno mini tote bag is the perfect way to add a pop of color to your wardrobe this season. Its cute yet structured shape make this bag an absolute must-have, not to mention the affordable price point. Now I'm in love with suede. Its soft yet luxurious texture makes it an excellent choice to elevate your wardrobe. The Coach Brooklyn shoulder bag is one of the most stylish silhouettes of 2025. This tan hobo bag is chic yet understated and accessorizes perfectly with just about any outfit. Big and slouchy is in this year, and when you combine that with suede, this bag is a win-win. The And Other Stories large suede tote is an absolute stunner. The olive green suede plus the trendy hobo shape make this bag to die for. The Stowed Moon Raffia bag in brown is a chocolate-colored dream. This structured bag with its simple yet elegant shape make this bag a must-have. Plus, it's in one of this year's hottest colors, chocolate brown. Easy to accessorize, you'll definitely make a fashion statement with this purchase. The Madewell Cameron mini bag has put fashionistas everywhere into a frenzy and has made this bag one of the most talked about for spring-summer 2025. Its colorful, petite, classic shape is an excellent addition to any ensemble. Plus, the modest price point will have you looking like $1,000,000. So there you have it, guys. My top selection of bags for spring summer 2025. Now, if you're interested in purchasing any of the bags that you've seen here today, I have provided the link in the description box below to my shop LTK. You click on that link and you will be directed to all the best bags that I have handpicked for spring summer 2025. And if you act soon, you'll be able to get an extra discount. And you don't want to miss that. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. And follow me on my LTK. Link in the description box below. That way you'll be privy to all my fashion finds that'll have you looking chic and effortlessly fabulous. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, my beauties. Bye.